So today I'm going to divide the LEGO Friends 2026 summer sets into thumbs up, thumbs in the middle, and thumbs down. All the sets are lovely, of course, but I'm just doing it for fun, and this is just what I think, so you don't really have to take it like too seriously. But anyway, the hotel set and this Ferris wheel and the roller coaster set, they're both really awesome, so definitely they are all thumbs up. And this like fall cabin is really nice too. You know what, like this year the sets are all so lovely. So the glamping set, I'm going to put it in the thumbs middle, and this forest tea party should be in the thumbs middle too. But this pizza truck is really nice though, so I'm going to put it in thumbs up. And oh, this creative box set was also really nice, I think. Yeah, there's so many things to do. And this spinning cup is really nice. Like this flower set looks really wonderful. And this like koala set looks really nice too. So this is also thumbs up. And let's see the next one. This like this water park day, I also put it in thumbs up. And this mini flower shop is also really nice, so it looks like as if it's in thumbs in the middle, but it's actually thumbs up. Okay, so this advent calendar is also thumbs up. So except for the glamping and the forest tea party set, I put everything in the thumbs up. And this time there's nothing in thumbs down because all the sets look so nice. I think they made all the sets so nice because none of them are in thumbs down, because before there were some sets that I put in thumbs down before, like this January and like last year summer. I don't remember what set they were, but anyway, this time all the sets look so lovely. So I think Lego really did a great job like designing these sets. So anyway, I can't wait to see them like in the supermarkets and like offline. They're going to look so good, and I want to see how big they look like. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.